Master the art of writing with ChatGPT. Customize its style in 3 simple steps. You can make ChatGPT write like you by using the code interpreter. No more generic text that looks like a robot. Just follow these 3 steps to make ChatGPT copy your writing style. 1. Prepare sample texts. Copy and paste the sample texts you have written into a document. These will help ChatGPT understand how you write and analyze your style. In my case, I made a Word document of my newsletters so that ChatGPT would be able to write a new newsletter like me. Note, PDF format works, but you can also use a .csv, .docs, etc. document. 2. Use the code interpreter. Go to ChatGPT settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Activate Advanced Data Analysis in Beta Features. Open a new ChatGPT conversation with code interpreter enabled. Upload your text document to ChatGPT. 3. Enter prompts. Here's the first prompt you need to enter so ChatGPT can analyze your style. Your goal will be to reproduce a given writing style based on text examples. Start by analyzing the texts in the document and describing precisely the formatting, writing style, tone used, and editorial specifics. You can now ask ChatGPT to write a new text. Perfect. Now, based on the text examples in the document I gave you and your previous analysis, write a new newsletter about topic. Pay close attention to formatting, any common points between texts, writing style, and other elements. Tip: you can reuse the same ChatGPT conversation to write several texts in your style without having to enter the first prompt.